Hi guys, and welcome to today's lesson where we're going to talk about and look at Tumbao. Now this is a rhythm that we most often play in the bass drum, and it follows the bass guitar or double bass in lots of Cuban music and also music that's derived from Cuban music such as New York salsa. So now let's get on to coordinating the clave with this rhythm. We're going to start with the song clave. We'll start with 2-3 and then we'll do 3-2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.